Hello, we are pleased to present you the corporate profile of Zeus Numerix and to show why we are the number one no-why company in defense. And these are the ABCD of our offerings: analyze, build, certify, and design. To know more about our company, you should see that we have worked with 150 plus organizations, we have delivered 400 plus projects, and we are a 15-year-old company started from IIT Bombay. So we have the pedigree, we have the technology edge that we developed, and we have the exposure working with national and international clients. Why we exist? We have a vision that we'll be a global benchmark in analysis, design, and development of cutting edge technologies. And as you would know, that these technologies are first developed in defense and aerospace paradigm. We want to be high tech, and that is why we follow all the aerospace standards. And what we wish to do is to develop physics based simulation software, which would then lead to the building of products in the defense domain. We develop, we validate our software, we keep our project data confidential, and we follow all the kinds of aerospace and mil standards that are required for development and design of products. So, what is our value proposition? We have two kinds of offerings. Either it's a service based offering or a product based offering. So, we can develop specialized custom engineering software for our clients, like, for example, development of range tables for an artillery gun. We can do a lot of engineering simulation services on the client products. These are our service based offerings. Or we can do build to specification products for our clients, like we have been doing in the technology development fund. And we are also a Semilac certified design company. We have been doing a lot of design approval studies where the product of customer is approved using studies, and that approval report is submitted to the inspection agency. We have also done such kind of work in naval domain and also in the land systems. Some of our examples of what we have done are shown here. So in custom software development, we have developed codes like internal ballistics of an artillery gun, range tables for an artillery gun, controls and guidance algorithms for course correction fuses for rockets, for missiles, guidance algorithm for missiles, preliminary design software for designers, system level design softwares where the effect of change of one subsystem is shown in all other systems in the product, or design of an MDO framework for our customers. And we use various languages. We can either deliver a software or we can deliver an onboard computer. Similarly, we do a lot of work on engineering simulation services, be it aerodynamics of missiles, aircrafts, rockets, shells, or complete structural design of these kind of objects. We have in fact also done work on what is the effect of vibrations when missiles are fired from ships. We have also done work on ships where we predict the stealth characteristics of the ships and try to reduce them using our own design methods. We have worked on multi-body dynamics, on optimization of systems, on aeroacoustics, dynamics controls, etc. And we usually develop our own software especially for these kind of applications. The photograph that you see here is for an FSA PDS where the sabot is separating from the penetrator rod. On the product based offerings, we have been doing projects for build to specification products, like for example the composite seawater pump that has been funded by the Technology Development Fund. We have done ground handling equipment for rockets, we have done test rigs for airships, we have done fins for FSAPDS and various other projects. We do have partners who do metal fabrication, composite fabrication, 3D printing. We also do sensor integrations and we do testing of the products in accredited labs. For the design approval studies, usually these are required when systems are being integrated to Indian systems, or there is some new product development and it has to undergo an approval process. We coordinate with all the approval agencies like Semilac or DMD in Hyderabad, and we produce simulation reports or study reports which then lead to the approval of the system. So these can be either analytical reports or empirical calculations or testing, or it can be after a review of whatever reports we have submitted. So what you see, for example, here is a generic image of a missile separating from the aircraft, but we have done 10 such missiles which can be air to air, or which can be gravity dropped or plunger dropped. So we have a lot of experience in design approval studies. Why we are not like other companies in the country or even in the world is that first, we own the intellectual property. We are not like other companies who buy somebody else's software and try to fit the problem inside the software that they have bought. We create our own IP, whether it is software or design methods. We are the number one no-why company in defense in India. We understand why the product works, and we do not believe in know-how. We believe in know-why. We are multidisciplinary, which is required for product development, and we are unconventional. So most of the defense and aerospace problems are very unconventional, and we produce software or hardware which caters to these kind of needs. And finally, we are flexible. We being Indian, we can engage with our customers in various modes of development as and when it is required and as and how it is required. We are certified by Semilac. We are a DSIR recognized R&D company. We have an ISO certification, and we also got the Lockheed Martin Innovation Medal. We of course are the first MSME to receive the Technology Development Fund Scheme Award for development of composite seawater pump. This is a partial list of our customers. We do not mention our government customers, which are 18 DRDO labs, DPSUs like BrahMos, BDL, and many other CSIR laboratories like NAL. And these of course are private and international customers, what you see on the slide. This is our management team. We are Pakka technologist, all of us, and we try to convert all the problem statements into physics and not into policy. So this is what our company feels. We can solve anything by maths and physics. And our customers also have been kind to us. They have given some kind words to us, like we steer the project in right direction, or we benefit the overall project, or we set a benchmark for the simulations or the product development that we do. And we are of course willing to take technical challenges. We have a hugely experienced team. We have experience of 400 plus projects, 150 plus customers, of which 250 projects are from the defense side. 70 to 75% of our revenue happens from the aerospace and defense sector. We own 20 plus simulation tools, and we are ready to develop new ones, and we are very flexible. We hope we can collaborate with you. Thank you very much. And these are my contact details. I would request you to please note them.